Tooth decay treatment in America. Cavity treatment 3D video at the dentist. Have you ever wondered why some people get cavities even when they brush every day? In this video, you'll see exactly how tooth decay starts, how sugar damages your teeth over time, and what really happens inside a dental clinic during cavity treatment. Watch closely, because this 3D video reveals the hidden process of tooth decay step by step, from the first signs of enamel damage to advanced cavity treatment performed by a professional dentist in America. And before we begin, subscribe for more dental videos, medical animation, and realistic dentistry education designed to help patients understand modern dental care and dental treatment. Save this video and share it with friends or family members because early tooth decay is often painless, and many people don't realize they have cavities until serious damage has already started. Tooth decay is one of the most common dental problems in the world. It affects children, teenagers, and adults of all ages. In the United States alone, millions of people visit a dental clinic every year because of cavities, tooth pain, infections, and damaged teeth caused by sugar and bacteria. But what actually causes tooth decay? Every time you eat sugary foods or drink sweet beverages, bacteria inside your mouth feed on the sugar left on your teeth. These bacteria produce acids that slowly attack the outer layer of the tooth, known as enamel. At first, the damage may look harmless. Tiny white spots can appear on the enamel surface. Most people never notice these early signs. There is usually no pain at this stage, which is why cavities often continue growing silently for months or even years. Without proper dental care, the acid keeps dissolving minerals from the tooth surface. Over time, the enamel weakens and a small cavity begins to form. This is the beginning of tooth decay. Poor oral hygiene, frequent sugar consumption, soft drinks, smoking, dry mouth, and skipping regular dentist visits can all increase the risk of cavities. Even people who brush daily can still develop tooth decay if bacteria and plaque are not removed correctly. Many dental patients are surprised to learn that tooth decay is not only caused by candy. Sugary coffee drinks, soda, sports drinks, energy drinks, fruit juice, and processed snacks can also damage teeth over time. In this medical animation, you can see how bacteria collect around the tooth surface. Plaque forms a sticky layer that traps acids against the enamel. Once enamel breaks down, the decay spreads deeper into the tooth. As the cavity grows, it reaches the dentin layer underneath the enamel. Dentin is softer and more sensitive than enamel, which is why many patients begin feeling tooth sensitivity to cold drinks, sweets, or hot foods during this stage. If tooth decay continues without treatment, bacteria eventually reach the inner pulp of the tooth where nerves and blood vessels are located. This is when severe pain can begin. Some patients experience sharp pain while chewing. Others develop constant throbbing pain that may spread into the jaw or face. Swelling and infection can also occur if bacteria spread beyond the tooth root. At this point, simple cavity treatment may no longer be enough. A dentist may recommend root canal treatment to remove infected tissue and save the tooth from extraction. But the good news is that early tooth decay can often be treated quickly and safely inside a dental clinic. Now let's look at how cavity treatment works. The dentist first examines the tooth using visual inspection, dental instruments, and X-rays to identify the depth of the decay. Once the cavity is confirmed, the treatment area is cleaned and prepared. A local anesthetic may be used to keep the patient comfortable during the procedure. Next, the dentist removes the decayed tooth structure using specialized dental tools. In this 3D video, you can clearly see how damaged enamel and infected dentin are carefully cleaned away while healthy tooth structure is preserved. After the decay is removed, the empty space inside the tooth must be restored. This is called a dental filling. Modern dentistry uses several filling materials, including composite resin, ceramic materials, and other tooth-colored restorations designed to match the natural appearance of the tooth. The filling seals the cavity and protects the tooth from further bacterial damage. For larger cavities, the dentist may recommend crowns or additional restorative dental treatment to strengthen the tooth structure. One of the most important things patients should understand is that cavities do not heal on their own once enamel is destroyed. Tooth decay treatment becomes more complex and expensive the longer it is ignored. That is why preventive dental care is so important. Brushing twice daily with fluoride toothpaste, flossing regularly, reducing sugar intake, and visiting a dental clinic for professional cleanings can dramatically reduce the risk of tooth decay. Many dentists also recommend drinking more water, especially fluoridated water commonly available in many American cities, because fluoride helps strengthen enamel against acid attacks. Parents should pay close attention to children's dental habits because childhood cavities are extremely common in the United States. Early dental education can help children build healthy habits that protect their teeth for life. This dental animation is designed not only for patients but also for medical student learning, dentist dentistry education, waiting room education, and anyone interested in understanding how modern dental treatment works. If you have ever delayed a dentist appointment because you were nervous or afraid, remember that modern dentistry is far more advanced and comfortable than many people expect. Early cavity treatment is usually fast, minimally invasive, and much less painful than waiting until severe infection develops. Many viewers watching this video may already have early signs of tooth decay without realizing it. White spots, tooth sensitivity, dark areas on teeth, pain while chewing, or bad breath can all be warning signs that should not be ignored. And remember, tooth decay does not only affect appearance. Untreated dental infections can impact overall health and quality of life. That is why educational dental videos like this are important for patients, families, and communities. By understanding how cavities form and how dental treatment works, people are more likely to protect their oral health before serious damage occurs. If this video helped you understand tooth decay, cavity treatment, and modern dentistry procedures, save it for future reference and send it to someone who avoids going to the dentist. It could help them recognize early warning signs before the problem becomes severe. Subscribe for more dental videos, dental animation, dental education videos for patients, medical animation, root canal treatment videos, dental implant procedures, braces animation, and realistic 3D dental care education. Thank you for watching Tooth Decay Treatment in America Cavity Treatment 3D video at the dentist.